Previously on Scales.
Oh, this is my boyfriend Andrew.
I miss you, man.
Okay, talk your shit, friend.
You know I'm not like that, Caleb. It's your life and your future wife. Ron, stop bullshitting me.
Here's the key. You let yourself in.
What are you doing for breakfast? Coffee. Hey, Drew. Yeah. Look, I'm sorry about how we left things. Can we talk?
Hey.
Hey. Hey, I thought we were gonna stay in bed all day.
Yeah, I know. It's just something really important came up. I promise I'll make it up to you.
Okay. Shit. Here we go again. Third time's a charm, right? But hey, I won. I got Ron. I'll break up with Sean tomorrow. 2020 is about to be my year.
Come on, almost there, Samantha. Yep, that's it. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. All right. Good job, Samantha. Hope to see you tomorrow at 9 a.m.
Tried to kill me.
Hey, well, welcome to the sweatshop, baby. Good job.
See you tomorrow. David! You had that lady working up a sweat. When do I get my chance?
Hey, Rebecca. My boot camp is pretty intense. You sure you can handle it? You look more like the yoga type.
How would you know what my type is? Besides, I want you to teach me.
Nice seeing you, Rebecca. And if you want to join the class, you can do so online. And I'll make sure you get your money's worth. All right? Later.
Bye.
It's obvious, nobody can make me feel the way you do right now. Let's be for real, I'm serious. Baby, it is not a drill, but I'm scared to death. Don't know how you feel.
Remy!
Sean? I wasn't expecting you.
Well, I thought I'd surprise you. Least you can do is give me a kiss.
Sean, hey, I'm always glad to see you. You know that. It's just that David is stopping by.
Remy, you gave me a key.
Should I take it back? Remember, no more pop-ups.
Typical Gemini. In a mood. Okay, look, I'm gonna go home and we can try this again, but after you and Kelly finish this Destiny's Child reunion album.
Ha ha. Bye, Sean. I know. Tomorrow. Third time's a charm, right? Shit! I'm supposed to be meeting David. Oh my God, David, I am so sorry that I missed your workout this morning.
Man, I text your ass like 3 times this morning. Did you get you something last night?
It was Ron. He spent the night.
See, I knew it. That's why your ass prancing around here like Beyonce in Homecoming.
Honestly, David, it was like something out of a movie. He came over, he brought me my favorite bottle of wine, and before I knew it, the sun was coming up, and Ron just knows the way to my heart.
Or into your pants, my friend. Listen, if you're happy, then I'm happy. And does this finally mean that you done with that damn old ass Sean? Oh, I can't stand his ass.
Yeah, about him.
You ain't told Sean, have you? You know, you can't have both unless...
No. But honestly, I want to be with Ron. I mean, he's not complicated, and he's just no more drama, and I don't want to do any more sticky situations. But speaking of sticky situations, what's up with you and Caleb?
Yeah, about that. If you would have brought your ass to the boot camp this morning, Kayla's fiance popped up at my boot camp this morning.
What? Does she know?
I don't know, but she wants me to train her.
Train her? In what?
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Okay, David. I know I'm gonna regret asking this literally as the words come out of my mouth.
Yeah.
But what exactly kind of workouts that you and Caleb do?
Well, you know, it was just the regular sweatshop routine, you know, some chest, some arms, a little bit of this and a little bit of that. But nothing too crazy, though.
Okay, David, don't have your ass on an episode of Fatal Attraction or something, because we don't need karma coming back to bite me or you in the ass.
Well, did Ron change his name to Carmen? Because I think he did that to you last night, buddy. Remy, this ain't water. This is...
Morning mimosas for my best friend.
Only you, Remy. Only you. And that's why you my best friend. All right, now, say after me. No more drama. No more drama.
I've been drinking too much. Maybe I've been smoking too much. It's crazy, but we fucking too much. And I'm trying to figure out. I don't wanna feel like I'm all alone. Baby, keep it real. If I take you home, yeah. If I take you home, baby, yeah.